In this lesson, we are going to learn how to insert components into an assembly. But first, on the screen, you will notice I am still in the part environment. In fact, I have a part open called U-bracket. So to begin, we have to create a new assembly. One option for creating a new assembly from this part is to go to the File drop-down menu and then select Make Assembly from Part. The Property Manager opens. I'll select the U-bracket from the Open Documents window and then pick a point in the graphics area. And the part is positioned. Now we're ready to take a look at the different options for inserting components. One option is to go to the Assembly ribbon and select Insert Components. A Property Manager opens for Insert Component, and notice we have a window which looks very similar to inserting our first component into the assembly. Any parts or assemblies we have open currently will be displayed in this window. Or I can always select Browse and find a different part or different assembly on the drive. I am going to select Square Block and then place that part in the graphics area. You also have the option to select more than one part at a time. So let's go back to Insert Components, hold down the Control key, and select Pin and Square Block. Now when I go out to the graphics area, I will have the ability to place each component individually. Another method for inserting components is to go to the Insert drop-down menu, select Component, and then Existing Part. One last option to insert components is through tiled windows. So let's try that. I'm going to go to the Window drop-down and either select Tile horizontally or Tile vertically. And as soon as I do this, you will see 4 windows: the Assembly window and 3 Part windows. Now I can drag these parts right from the graphics area of a Part window into the Assembly window. And I can even drag the part from the Feature Manager design tree into the Assembly window. So now you know a few options for inserting components into an assembly.